5S methodology is a systematic approach to workplace organization and housekeeping. It originated in Japan and is derived from 5 Japanese words: siri, sort; Seiton, set in order; Seiso, shine; Seiketsu, standardize; and shitsuke, sustain. Here's a brief overview of each step. 1. Sort, siri. This step involves sorting through all items in a workspace and keeping only the essential items. Unnecessary items are removed or stored elsewhere. 2. Set in order, Seiton. Once the unnecessary items are removed, the next step is to organize the remaining items in a logical and efficient manner. Everything should have a designated place, making it easy to find and use. 3. Shine, Seiso. This step involves cleaning and inspecting the workspace to ensure that it is free from dirt, dust, and clutter. Regular cleaning helps maintain a safe and efficient work environment. 4. Standardize, Seiketsu. Standardization involves creating and implementing standards and procedures for maintaining the first 3 steps: sort, set in order, shine. This ensures consistency and sustainability of the 5S methodology. 5. Sustain, shitsuke. The final step is to sustain the improvements made by consistently following the first 4 S's. This requires ongoing commitment and discipline from everyone in the organization. The 5S methodology is often used in conjunction with lean manufacturing principles to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and create a safer and more organized work environment.